How to use advanced search in Twitter or X. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to help you guide how to use advanced search in Twitter or X application. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch Twitter or X application on your device. Sign into your account and then tap search icon at bottom left corner of the screen. In here, on this For You page, there are different kinds of trends for you. Or even you can tap the search X at top of the screen as well. So for me, let's try from this training one. And once you choose it, you can also select the filter icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you can easily search filters for people you can choose from anyone or people you follow. Or you can select the location that is anywhere or near you as well. And then you can tap on the OK button. After that, tap Apply at top right corner of the screen. Or else, you can also tap the three dots as well. And here you can select the search settings. And here you can easily customize your search settings as well. If you wish to hide sensitive content, you can toggle the button on. If you wish to remove blocked and muted account, you can toggle the button on to eliminate search results from accounts you have blocked or muted. After that, you can easily use the advanced search in Twitter in this way. So, further you can go to settings icon again. And here, if you want to toggle the button on for location, you can toggle the button on so that when this is on, you will see what's happening around you right now. You can also turn the button on for personalization so that you can personalize the trends for you based on your location and who you follow. So once it is done, you have successfully used advanced search in Twitter or X application. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.